Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to actually add location to your BeReal posts. So first of all, of course, if you don't have a BeReal application on your phone, you'd like to go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then, you'd like to go and sign in to create your account. Of course, if you already have an account, just ignore all of that, log in into your account, and let's just get straight to it. So here you'd like to go and launch the BeReal application as I'm going to do right now. Of course, if you want to follow this steps tutorial here, and as we said, that will be of course your home screen first. And as we said, we would like to add the location. So first of all, if we want to add a location, we would like to post a BeReal. So just go and click at post BeReal. Here, that's actually okay. Sorry, let me just go and click on that again. So here, make sure if they ask you to turn on location, make sure to hit the OK button. So for a better experience, turn on the device location, which uses Google location service. So as we said, make sure to click on OK. Then as you can see here, take the picture that you want. They will take two pictures, one with your back camera and one with your front camera, because that's actually how BeReal works, and that's the concept of the application. Then you'd like to go and click at the flash button, which is next actually, and of course, wait, let me just go and click on that. And of course, if you turn on location and if you want to add the location to your post, you would like to check this option, which is share my location, and you will actually be good to go. So that's how you actually add the location. Now all you need to do just go and send it or post it, and you'll wait until it uploads and you'll be good to go. So that will be actually for the video. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.